Maple TA Exam Review, Unit 3, question number 38. The data below comes from the Idaho Driver's Educational Manual. Use a scatter plot and trend line of vehicle speed in miles per hour and the distance traveled in feet during a 1.5 second reaction time to select the most correct conclusion. Let's get familiar with our graph. We have vehicle speed and distance traveled. Speed is down here in miles per hour. Over here is distance traveled in feet, and this is during a 1.5 second reaction time. We have a trend line that is actually hitting every single data point here. So if we were to do the R-squared value or find how well this fit, it would be absolutely 100% because it actually goes through every single one of those. Okay, let's see what our options are. Longer distances cause longer reaction times. Here we have distance. The longer distance does have, oh, nope, this is the speed, and yeah, the longer distance doesn't cause a longer reaction time. That isn't even here, and we can't even say cause, even if it's 100% correlation. So we have two reasons why this doesn't work, that it says the word cause and that it has the longer reaction time, so that doesn't work either. The next one, a quadratic trend line would be a better fit for representing the relationship between vehicle speed and distance. Not really, because this is really right on, it's going through every single one of those, so I'm not going to do that one either. The next one, during the reaction time, the distance traveled by a jet going 1,500 miles per hour is about 3,381.5 feet. Again, this is not something that is being referenced in our data here, so I'm not going to go through any more of that one. The next one, an exponential trend line would be a better fit for representing the relationship between vehicle speed and distance. Nope, because an exponential trend line would be increasingly, and this really fits beautifully, so I don't need an increasingly larger trend line here either. The next one, during the reaction time, the distance traveled by a car going 45 miles per hour is about 101.5 feet. Yeah, that sounds great, because down here we have speed and distance. So let's go to the distance traveling by a car going 45 miles an hour. Here is about 100, come up here, 45 is about 101.5. That is very much in line with what our graph is showing, so I'm going to select that one as our correct answer.